This is my December 2021 allotment plot tour. The last tour of the year I have managed to do, January through to December, and this is my new phone and it's 2 days after Christmas. Yesterday was Boxing Day and this is my tour. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's kitchen and garden. All the leaves are off the raspberries now because it's been cold. This is the strawberries. Perennial sweet pea things fell down. It's the leeks. They're so small. I decided to leave the chrysanthemums in and see how it goes. They're starting to grow a bit at the bottom. The shade, we've managed to put it back on. Not properly, just with a staple gun. There's bits hanging off, it needs sorting out. The fence is leaning, that needs sorting out. Guess we're standing on the strawberry bed. Ruining my grass. It's the greenhouse, it's destroyed. Don't think we can fix it at all. It's not there. Gooseberry bush, tayberry. It's not there with the winds because this was blown down a bit, it's just held up with a piece of wood. That's how far the leaf molt's gone down. Looks like that piece of my greenhouse. That's how far the leaf mold's gone down. That's the carrot bed all covered up now for winter. Tiny little leeks, I don't know if they're going to come with anything. This greenhouse got blew away as well. It's all bent everywhere. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I've got greenhouses now at the allotment. And the garlic's just coming through. Globe artichoke's coming back, looking a bit better. Currant bush. Hello. That's all my compost. Everything just looks the same really. It's just wetter. Colder. What are you looking at? Purple straw and broccoli. Had to hold up with sticks because it was blown down. Onions haven't come up yet, I don't think. Nope. Honeyberries. Chickens are hiding under the coop. Why are you hiding under the coop? Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't think they like the weather as well. Everything just looks pretty much the same. But more destroyed from that storm we had, and everything's just slow to grow. Well, it's not really very much to show, like you've already seen all the destruction. I don't know what I'm going to do about greenhouses next year. I've got polytunnel that would have been destroyed if it was up. I've got the home greenhouse that needs fixing as well, but it's probably the best off one. I think it's not as bad as the rest, but I still don't know if it's fixable. I haven't looked at it yet. One of the chickens died as well of old age, one of the old ones. It's not been a good month. Mainly the storm and the chicken. And then the rush up to Christmas. And that's gone now. So I can slowly start to build up the allotment again. Can't speak very well because I had a bit of a cough. I had a chest infection. I've been tested, it's not COVID, it's just a chest infection. So I haven't even been running. Can't even sit on the chair because the plastic was off the roof. Water was coming in the shed. So that needs cleaning and drying out. I think it's dry, but it needs cleaning. Everything needs cleaning in here. Well, that's my December tour. Pretty much the same as the November one. But with more destruction. Thanks for watching, everyone.